Okay, here is my first item in my motorcycle camping going lightweight series. The theory behind going lightweight is it should save gas, make everything easier, and just make the trips more enjoyable. So I figured I would start with my tool bag because that weighs quite a bit. So I found titanium wrenches online. This is a 8mm titanium wrench compared to a standard one, and if you actually feel the weight, it's probably about 1/4 of the weight. I will be getting a scale so I can show the exact weights of these, but that's it. That is a titanium wrench. It's pretty amazing.